Hey everybody, big announcement, man, and I'm really kind of excited about this because it's the first time for me actually, and we've been plugging away at this thing a little bit at a time. So I'll tell you what I'm talking about coming up. What's up everybody, Mike Bishop for Tactical POV, and the announcement I have, man, finally I've got things in my business moving in the direction that I've been wanting it to go. So finally got the first line edition of apparel out, ready to go. You can take a look at it, check the link in the description that I leave for you and take a look. I've got my logo for some really good material. It's for Spreadshirt, so, and you can see it up there. I've got it for men, women, kids, baby onesies, accessories, different things, and also check out the material. Also, because it's they also have next level material. So if you don't know what next level material is, it's really good material. It's the hot thing going, honestly, with new material now for clothing, shirts and t-shirts and stuff, rocking it. That, so guys, check that out and tell me what you think. Take a look at it. It's also for hoodies, sweatshirts, everything, and we only got what, one more month of summer left here, and good lord, man, fall's right around the corner. So that should be pretty good as far as for gifts or anything like that. If you want to get it for yourself, for your husband, your wife, girlfriend, whatever, friends. Anyway, share this link, share this video. Make sure you check out the link down in the description. Like I said, man, hit the bell notification. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell, so make sure you get the notification. Also, go to the other link too that I have in the description and sign up for my to be put on my newsletter, so I can get you direct notification for new videos that upload. Anything that I put out, you'll be the first thing. If I got special offers coming up, which I do, and I'm going to start some giveaways on certain items too. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway maybe here pretty soon of some of my instructor shirts. I had those are special order type deals, so I think I'm gonna brew something up with that, along with the my instructor sweatshirt. Also, I know some of you guys been asking me about that sweatshirt for the past, what, 2 years or so, 2-3 years. So I'm still working on some other things behind the scene. Like I said, go hit the link, give it a like, follow the descriptions for the apparel, follow the also hit the link to subscribe to my email list too, and check out some other things that I got going on. And pretty soon I have my website up. I'm almost done with it, so I'll give you a blast on that too. Send that out and you all take a look and tell me what you think. You know, I've been working on it hard myself and built it myself. So anyway, this is Mike Bishop for Tactical POV, saying that being armed is a mindset, not just a physical condition.